Optimum Price. Pugingin ang Optimum Price.
You're going to Brazil!
Lo voy a matar.
Tranquilo, país.